and welcome to Cat Science Club. Today's activity is titled Floating Rice. For this activity, you will need a water bottle, some rice, and a pencil. Now you are going to need to fill your water bottle all the way to the top with rice, so choose the size of water bottle accordingly. Begin by moving your pencil up and down in the rice. You will continue to jab your pencil into the rice until you feel it almost catch. This is friction. All of the rice is gathering around your pencil. And soon, when you lift your pencil, the whole container of rice will come with it. Isn't that great? Thank you for joining Cat Science Club today. Remember, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.